lies in the north-central Saudi Arabia, bordering the provinces of Medina, Tabuk, northern border, Riyadh, and Qasim. Welcome to the province of Ḥa'il. Kafalkos, join our team as we travel, explore, and share with you some thrilling views that Ḥa'il region offers. The city of Ḥa'il, capital of the Ḥa'il region, lies in the Wadi Ḥa'il, surrounding Shamar mountain ranges. It is located in the center of northern Arabian Peninsula, on the eastern side of the massive Jabal Aga, and at the fringe of the vast desert of the Rub al-Khali. The city of Ḥa'il is reachable either by car or by plane, thanks to its domestic airport. Several hotels offer all the comfort needed to enjoy a trip to Ḥa'il. A city of immense hospitality and pleasant weather, Ḥa'il boasts of having rich historic traits, both modern and ancient. Ḥa'il is well known by the generosity of its people in Saudi Arabia and the Arab world, as it is the place where lived Hatim al-Ta'i, who was a famous Arab poet and one of the characters of the 1001 Nights. Stories about his extreme generosity have made him an icon to Arabs up till the present day, as in the proverbial phrase, more generous than Hatim. The province is popular for hosting the geographically and historically important twin mountain ranges of Aja and Salma, which are now areas protected by the Saudi Wildlife Authority. That is all for now, Kafalkos. See you on our next adventures. From the peaceful region of Ḥa'il, Ma Salema. Goodbye. May peace be with us.